through Haddlesey floodlock on the River Aire. Got a slight problem with the starter battery. I think this morning it wouldn't start. It doesn't look like it's holding a charge, so I'm just trying to contact a boatyard, see if we can get a new starter battery. I managed to get it started with the battery charger, but it's not ideal, so another job to do. Castleford Boatyard. I'm going to pop in there tomorrow morning and we're going to try and get this battery sorted out for us. I think it might be a loose connection, but I think it's probably the battery, so anyway, whichever way, I'm going to call in at Castleford and we'll have a look at it tomorrow. And then into Knottingley, and we'll just find somewhere to moor up. That's a bit of a gush. This one for now until it calms down a bit.
So we moored up at Knottingley, and Albert enjoyed his walk through Frida's garden.
So it's Thursday morning. So we just left Knottingley, you can see behind. We were going to go to Castleford Boatyard this morning, because we had problems with the starter motor, the battery yesterday, but it seems fine. I put it on charge. It's holding charge and it started no problem. So I think it was just having a bad day yesterday. Anyway, it seems okay, but I've got a battery charger on it just in case. I can always plug that in. Yeah, all good. So we decided to go down to down the Aire and Calder navigation, the opposite way to what we were originally planning, but that's the good thing about being on a boat, I suppose. So we get down to a place called Whitley Bridge, Whitley Lock, just past the M62 anyway. Apparently there's quite a few nice rural moorings there, apart from the M62 noise. Anyway, so I thought I'd try it. We've got some stuff for a barbecue for tonight, so the sun's out, so hopefully it stays nice. So yeah, just I think it's about 2 hours, an hour and 45, 2 hours to get down there. So Sarah's making a toast, so we're all good. So nice steady cruise down the Aire and Calder navigation for a couple of hours in the sun.
So we found a really nice place to moor, very quiet, nobody around, just what we like.
So we decided to moor up and get some washing done and what have you. It's not too bad. Motorway's a bit close, but nice and quiet. It's okay. Ideal barbecue location, I think. Enjoys it. He likes having some freedom. Stretch his legs. He's going to run it back. Betty! Bert! Come on! Come on! That's the first time we used the generator really. Put it on here, just there's nobody around, so save any money. It's just ready to do washing for the washing machine. Saves using the inverter and all the boat batteries. It's nice and quiet actually. Not that much generator that. Barbecue time.
not vegetarian. Neither is Bertie. He's waiting for his sausage.